Hey, what's going on YouTube? Your boy back at it again with another unpackaging for this next process of this build, or the next piece to this build, I should say. So it's nothing special. As you can see, who I ordered the package from, Sky High Cardio. They do good work on their stuff. No complaints yet. And this is going up under the hood. So let's see what's in the package. Yes. As I said before, going everything copper. Everything copper. So everything copper. I use Sky High lugs, their products, the battery terminals. Might not use that wire because I'm switching all the welding cable as y'all can see with my previous videos. But Sky High do make some good products, and one of them should be their battery terminals. Per copper, lugs, really can't complain. So far so good. Stay tuned for how I'm gonna integrate this into my build. I hope you guys continue to support the channel. I thank everybody. I think when I just looked today, I was up to 30 subscribers. So when I hit 40, I'm gonna do a giveaway, but I don't know what I'm gonna give away yet. I might have some ideas what I want to give away because I'm replacing a lot of stuff that I'm not using since I'm going to copper. So everything I'm replacing, I might just give that away. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. You'll be part of this giveaway process. So stay tuned, YouTube. It's been real.